sis, how are you today? I want to give a shout out to Dad, how do I? Mom, how do I? And it feels like our YouTube family is complete, and I think this is all we need in our life. Ah, now you all have your dad, mom, sis, and bro. So, there are certain things that you can talk to your mom or dad, and some things you just want to share, like the sister stuff with your sister, and there are some things like you have to do it with your brother. So now everyone is here to be on your sides. How cool is that, guys? Really says that is like very, very nice. I just want to introduce myself a little bit here, as I'm just starting out, and you don't know me yet. So when I watch Dad, how do I, and Mom, how do I, many people doesn't have that like close relationship with their mother or father. Therefore, these channels are really, really handy. I wish I knew it much earlier when I was in my teens. Yeah, not now. So I thought that there are many things that we as kids find it hard to share with our parents. Yes, there are many things you can just, you know that, right? So I'm not trying to take anything away here, but I just wanted to do things that I just want to share that other, like, I want to be an elder sister. I want to do all the elder sister that do their, like, for their brother or sisters, like cleaning, self-care, friends problem, adulting, and many other secret stuff. So you can always share your secret as your sister is here. So my channel is all about sharing and like telling your stuff, and then I will try to like teach you as much as I can as an elder sister. The reason for me opening this channel and understanding this pain is because I myself, I'm the elder sister, and I have two younger sisters. My relationship with my mom was quite okay, and I don't like to share a lot with her. So throughout my entire life, I searched for a friend or a person that I can share my stuff with and who can like understand me, because there are many things that only your generation related people can understand, right? So sorry guys, I had friends like, but most of them were not good in keeping the secret, and therefore I suffered a lot. I also wish for an adult sister throughout my life who can make, okay, like, who can take care of me, keeps my secrets and protects me and understands me. And it's very hard to get one, because not everyone is there to help you. And sorry guys, I just want to take 2 minutes, just wait now. And said it's very hard to get one. With that in mind, I have taken care of two of my sisters a lot. I helped them in all of their matters, and I was always there to listen to them and protect them. We shared the secrets together, even when I was there to guide them when they first started their periods. So that was like really the adulting point for them. So I know there may be people out there who will be negative about this, but that is fine. I don't care about all this stuff. I just want to spread the positivity in the world as sister as much as I can. As you know, we need each other. I really need my brothers and sisters and everyone to feel good. I don't want you to feel and suffer the same way as I did. So do share your feelings and suggestions with me, and I promise I will be your best elder sister ever, because no fear, your sis is here. So that's what I believe in, right? Thank you so much for listening to me and watching this video, and do let me know what help you need from me, because I'm your elder sister and I will do whatever you want, and like whatever you say, and I'll be there to help you. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll be there for you always. Bye from your elder sister.